Having trouble installing Roblox on your iPhone? The App Store won't load it, or the download won't even start. This is often caused by region restrictions, an unsupported iOS version, or account limitations. Don't worry, in this video, I'll explain why Roblox isn't installing and show you how to fix it. Let's get this sorted out right now. Before doing anything else, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and Low Power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Sign out and sign back to iCloud. This can refresh the connection between your device and the App Store. So open up the Settings app again. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile name. Now scroll down to the bottom, tap Sign Out, then follow all the prompts to sign out. Once signed out, tap Sign In to your iPhone, and then enter your Apple ID and password again. If you are still facing the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 2. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove, then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings, then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's a wrap. We hope your Roblox installation issue is all fixed now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.